Question number 5. Show that tangent to the power of 4 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus cos square theta over cos to the power of 4 theta. Okay, we are given tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1. And we know that tangent theta is equals to sine of theta over cos of theta. So this equation will become sine to the power of 4 theta over cos to the power of 4 theta minus 1. Taking LCM, we will have cos to the power of 4 theta, and in numerator we will have sine to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 4 theta. And we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So this is power 4. So when we have the a to the power of 4 minus 8b to the power of 4, then it will become a square minus b square and a square plus b square. Numerator can be written as sine squared theta minus cos squared theta times sine squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos to the power of 4 theta. Okay, and we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1, and we also know that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So we will use these two equations. So we will have 1 minus cos squared theta minus cos squared theta times 1 over cos to the power of 4 theta. So we will have 1 minus 2 cos squared theta in numerator, and in denominator we will have cos to the power of 4 theta. And this one is equal to the right side of the equation. So hence proof. Hence solve the equation cos squared theta times tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 7, where theta is less than 180 and greater than 0. We just proved that tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos 2 cos squared theta over cos to the power of 4 theta. So this equation can be written as tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos 2 cos squared theta over cos squared theta times cos squared theta. We switch cos squared theta on the left side, so we will have cos squared theta times tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos squared theta over cos squared theta. So this expression, left side of the given equation, can be written as 1 minus 2 cos squared theta over cos squared theta. So we can write it cos squared theta times tangent to the power of 4 theta minus 1 is equals to the 1 minus 2 cos squared theta over cos squared theta, which is equals to 7 given. So we will use this equation. By cross multiplying, we will have 1 minus 2 cos squared theta is equals to 7 cos squared theta. And this one is equals to the 9 cos squared theta is equals to 1. And we will have cos squared theta equals to 1 over 9. So we can say that cos theta is equals to 1 over 3 plus minus. We need to find the value of theta, and theta should be lie in first and second quadrant. It means first and second quadrant. And we know that cos of theta is positive in first and fourth quadrant and negative in third and second quadrant, where we need to find the value of theta in first and second quadrant. So this is the theta angle. So we need to find the value of theta so that it will lie in first and second quadrant. We know that positive value will lie in first quadrant and negative value lie in second quadrant. So cos theta is 1 over 3, and in second case we will have cos theta is negative 1 over 3. And in this case theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 over 3. Using calculator, cos inverse of 1 by 3 is equals to the 70.528. So theta is 70.528. And in this case, theta is equal to cos inverse of negative 1 over 3, and this one is equal to 10947. So already we have the angle which belongs to the second quadrant. If you want to use base angle and find the angle in second quadrant, so angle in second quadrant can be find out using 180 minus theta b, and theta b is the base angle. So you can use 180 minus 70 and you will get 109.47 also.